My name is Bafaki. If you're new here, endeavor to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you, in this situation of pandemic, how some Ugandans are surviving on sugarcane business on the streets of Kampala. Right off from Kansanga here in town. Right now I have met a Nigerian from Abuja, okay, and he can say hi to you. He's dealing from a sugarcane business, and that's where he's getting his survival in this pandemic situation. And he says after this pandemic he will go back definitely to Nigeria in Abuja. Okay, my brother, what's your name? Musa. Musa? Yes. Okay, from which part of Nigeria? Hausa. Yeah. And then how did you come to Uganda?
How?
Yes. Do you have relatives around? Okay. That he has relatives around, okay? And in Nigerian Abuja Hausa language, they say Kamalas. They say what?
Kamalasana Kamara.
They say Kamalasan Kamara, and that is good morning. Musa says that from his sugarcane business, from each cane, as you can see, it is 1,000, and this cane within the Kavera here is for 500. And he assures me that every single day he makes at least a profit of 30,000. Ugandans, we need to learn how we can overcome this situation by not underlooking the businesses, but we take them right away in order to have the survival. Thank you for watching.